trice. Real name, no gimmicks.
Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Two trailer park girls go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside.
Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Stupid.
Record stuck on, man. Just watch that. I don't want to take one, so I wanted a one take one. No, I want to do one take. Say it again. What I say? What should we say? Okay, so basically what I want to tell you right here is right, I'm going to say something right, and then it doesn't work in the first take, like, use that bit right. But you all get me to get the orders, man. You speak.
Engine's back in. It's got our stage 1 built engine, upgraded connecting rods, stock pistons, rated for 850 horsepower. Obviously these engines can't be tuned quite yet. You can only run tuning boxes on them. So, gonna prime it, start it up, get it on the dyno, run it in, and Nabeel has got a couple of goodies fitted to this. The ECU isn't tuned, but we're gonna see what power it makes with his goodies fitted. It's not gonna be as good as an ECU tune, but it will still be pretty good. I'm expecting around 510, 515 horsepower, but let's see what it makes.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Workshop ban, no customers in the workshop.
Oh dear, we want to make a quick video. Oh jeez, get it in anyway.
I've created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka. Some on your tits and get ready, cause this shit's about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. Fuck you, Devin! Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just...
Right guys, this is Nabeel's AY that I built a month ago. Car's running the mint, had it on the ramp earlier, so I got a health check, had it at the ramp, and it got a transfer box also, just to be sure, because it's not been serviced at the moment. And so as I said, car's running the mint. Everything apart from that, it's all good. That's about it.
I've created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating. When I'm rocking the table while he's operating. You waited this long to stop debating, cause I'm back.